Ouch!
Ouch! Okay, give him a kiss.
Ouch!
Oh, did he get you?
Yes.
You know what? He does that because he loves you. You're his little sister. Be careful, honey. He's just playing, right? Mwah. He's soft. Touch his belly.
I know the picture.
Okay. Oh, he likes that.
Ouch!
He doesn't bite. He just gives you a love bite.
You can see the bite.
Because you're so sweet. Okay. Say, I'm going to watch my show now. You're going to watch your show?
No, I'm still with my sketchy done.
You're what? Yeah, we're going to have spaghetti together. Mommy and Lila are going to have dinner together with no boys allowed, right? Just you and Mommy. The girls, right?
Yeah.
No boys allowed at our dinner, okay?
It's going to be tea party.
A tea party? Oh, maybe we could have a tea party after. That would be awesome, right?
I'm going to be my teacup.
So let's have dinner and then we'll have a tea party in here at your table.
Oh, boy, I'm going to be my teacup.
Sounds good.
A favorite tea.
Yeah, you like tea? Love you. Lila, I love you.
I love my Caillou movie.
Do you love Mommy? I love Lila.
And I love you. I'll give you a hug.
Oh, you want to give me a hug? You're such a mushy pants today.
Looks like it's working.
Love you, Lila. Will always love you. Mwah.
Wolfie.